How you doing, everybody? Right? Everybody's seen these here. They was 64 Ti 50s. Okay, they've been on more channels than I care to remember. So I just want to open one. That's the key button on it. It's not overly bad. So, my pins are not there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I think it is. Well, I guess 5. So. Right, okay. Put this into the face. See what I can do. Right, I'm gonna start this timer here. Oops. Now, what's happened here now? It will not take long. Right. It shouldn't take too long. Famous last words, as the man says. Must just remember. Use pin 5. It's the one you need to knock first. Look at that first. I think he sort of messed everything up, sort of. Slight tension. Let's get back to. I want to get back to pin 5, pin 6. Yeah, that's what I wanted back here. And then let's have a wee look at here. These are ones. Nose pin 5. We had to go back to. There you go. Wasn't exactly the hardest lock in the world, so it wasn't. A couple of minutes. There you go. What would he do? Thank you very much. It was just nice. Believe it or not, before Christmas, I'd struggled with that lock. Now, I find it's kind of like a beginner stuff. But anyway, it's nice opening it again. 3 attempts, 2 times opening it. So yeah. Okay, everybody. Thank you very much, and enjoy yourselves, and take care. Right. Bye bye.